reciprocal of fourth root of 16.65. So what we do is we have to find fourth root of 16.6 reciprocal, whatever the results comes. So let us take this one as capital Y is equal to 16.6 to the power minus 1 by 4. Now small y. Small y we consider as x to the power minus 1 by 4. Here we take x is equal to 16 and delta x is equal to 6 by 10. So delta y, small change in y will give you minus 1 by 4 into x to the power minus 5 by 4 into delta x. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4. X is 2 to the power 4 to the power minus 1 by 4 into 6 by 10. So this will give you minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 32 into 6 by 10. So finally we get minus 3 by 640. So what is capital Y now? Capital Y is nothing but small y plus delta y. So what is small y? X to the power minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 640. So this is equal to capital Y. So this will give you how much? This will give you 2 to the power 4 to the power minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 640. So this will give you, it's nothing but 0.5 minus 3 by 640. When no calculators were there, earlier times they used to calculate by the help of calculus only. So what we get? 0.00468. This is 0.5 minus 0.00468. You can write 7 also. Now if we subtract with minus 0.45, we get capital Y is equal to 0.49531. Decimals they used to calculate, but with the normal scientific calculator we are able to find it, but normal calculator is not possible. So we used to use calculus to find the fourth root or cube root or any type of calculation.